flight to Honolulu.
Just this is a lot more complicated than it looks. I first met Dex 6 years ago at NYU.
More expensive.
Oh, I do actually say that he was just perfect. Then he met my best friend, Darcy. Darcy, just friends. Friend that asked me out.
Great. That's where all the hotels are.
Yeah.
All the hotels?
Hey, you never know where.
Yeah. Actually, that's where I was yesterday.
She went to NYU Law and met my future husband.
Center retention, that's weird. Let's do one more drink.
Now I remember when I had such a crush on you in law school.
No, you didn't.
Come on, you knew. Like I said, it's more complicated than it looks. Oh my god.
Oh no.
It was just a big mistake. We were both really drunk.
I wasn't that drunk.
What? If people fell in love in the similarities between you and your couple.
Being so broken.
You think I should marry Dad? Because I do love him. She is my best friend.
Rachel, you deserve to be happy.
You need to get back here right now.
You're about to fly over all these.
What? Everybody.
Let's do a secret for everything. Alright, you know what? If she's not gonna tell you, I will.
Wow. So I'm gonna post this in 3D and 2D. I can zoom in my 2D and I can't zoom in 3D.
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board our flight to Honolulu, Hawaii. My name is Robert. I'll be assisting Mark, your in-flight service manager in the business class cabin. We have Tammy, as well as Tesco in the main cabin. All four of us are available for any questions or comments you may have regarding our flight this morning and of Continental services. I'd like to take a minute to extend a special welcome on board to all One Pass as well as Star Alliance members. You'll be earning miles with your flight to Honolulu. For those passengers who would like to find out more information regarding the OnePass program, wish to enroll in the OnePass program, next time you have a few free moments, please log on to Continental.com. It's self-explanatory from that moment on. For your comfort, ladies and gentlemen, there are 3 lavatories located aboard the aircraft. 2 are to the rear. 1 is located in the forward section, reserved exclusively for our business class customers. Please respect this arrangement. Located above your seats in your passenger service unit, you'll find your individual reading light switch, air vent control, flight attendant call button. In the armrest of your seat is a seat incline recline button, channel selector, volume control. If you have your own headsets with you this morning, I invite you to use them at this time, as long as your jacks are compatible with the aircraft. If not, in a few minutes we'll be coming through with complimentary headsets. They're for you to use on this morning's flight. Take home with you and use on future flights, as some flights do charge $3 per headset. Your flight feature presentation this morning is entitled Thor, followed by Something Borrowed. Audio is available on channels 1 or 10. While on the ground in Fiji, I have come through the cabin, passing on the necessary documents for entry into the U.S. Regardless of destination or citizenship, everybody on board must clear U.S. Immigrations and Customs upon arrival into Honolulu. If you do not possess a U.S. passport, legal resident of the U.S., green card holder, or have participated online in the EST program, ESTA, you will need an immigration form, 1 per person. Customs forms are 1 per family. Do keep in mind while filling out these forms, we are CO flight number 198. The arrival date will be the 17th of September. If you have any questions regarding the necessity of these forms, have any problems filling out these forms, do not hesitate to call upon any one of us. We'll gladly assist you. Once we reach a safe cruising altitude, we'll begin our in-flight service consisting of a lunch, followed by a beverage cart. On our beverage cart, we have hot coffee and tea, milk, water, Coke, Sprite, assorted juices. And for a fee of US $6, we have ice cold beer. $7 will get you ice cold wine, sparkling wine, pre-mixed margaritas, and assorted mixed drinks. This is a cashless flight, ladies and gentlemen. We do accept major credit, debit, cards, as well as Continental and United currencies. If you haven't already done so, I'd like to invite you to recline your seats. Enjoy our 6-hour, 2-minute flight to Honolulu. If there's anything we can do to make your flight a little bit more comfortable and or enjoyable, please do not hesitate to call upon any one of us. At this time, the use of approved portable electronic devices, such as laptop computers, DVD players, anything that starts with an I is permitted. Enjoy your flight.